Main Street, Lacson Main Street. Ha? Oo. Nandito ako ngayon sa Baywalk. I love Bacolod. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry about me. Kita-kits on Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah. Mahina. Signal's weak. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. So that is the Baywalk. There's like a dragon and so many ribbons and then lights here. Then maybe we can try to take some pictures. Now about the sunset. That's it. There's like an event, so we're going to walk. Maybe I can take a selfie. Okay, good. Here's also like, oh, Mascara Festival. Yeah. And now there's like the dragon, and there are many people here. There's also a photo booth. A photo booth here for recreational park. You can take many pictures here. Dami rin mga tao. There are also like many food stalls here. Yeah, and then the people are just sitting and then trying to eat something. You can also find like a yacht. Restaurants here, seafood, Korean. You can see some playground for the kids. It's so quiet here. Only 199. And there is like the Baywalk Recreational Park. There's like a stage. And here there's like an event, maybe, oh, the cars. Let's try to check. Oh, different kinds of motorbikes. So those are like the beautiful cars. Trying to exhibit their motorbikes and different kinds of vehicles. Like a walking tour of the Baywalk here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, or the western part of the Negros Island in the Philippines, and western Visayas as well. Oh yeah, that's like you can buy something. Okay, so that's it only. Thank you so much for watching Leggers Vlog. You should Instagram. Bye.